Imagine a warm, spiced pumpkin filling topped with a buttery crust. This pumpkin cobbler is easy to make and bursting with fall flavors. Let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, I've got some pumpkin puree and I'll add some granulated sugar, brown sugar, eggs, vanilla extract, and some evaporated milk. Now give that a good whisk until everything's smooth and well combined. Oh, and make sure you use pumpkin puree and not pumpkin pie filling for this recipe. Next up, the spices. I'm going in with some cinnamon, pumpkin spice, and salt. Whisk it again until all those cozy fall flavors are fully mixed in. Now that our filling is ready, I'm pouring it into a baking dish that I've already sprayed with some non-stick cooking spray. We'll set this aside and move on to our cobbler topping. Grab a medium bowl and add in all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, brown sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Whisk it all together until combined. Now comes the fun part, taking a stick of cold, unsalted butter that I've cut into cubes. I'm using my fingers to work it into the dry mixture until it resembles coarse sand. Now, if you've got hot hands or prefer not to get your fingers dirty, you can use a pastry cutter, but honestly, fingers work best. Next, fold in a half a cup of whole milk and a splash of vanilla extract. The batter should be thick and lumpy. That's exactly what we want. Time to assemble. Gently drop the cobbler batter over the pumpkin filling. Don't worry about getting it perfect. The topping will spread out and puff up beautifully as it bakes. For that final touch of flavor, I'm drizzling a quarter cup of brown butter over the cobbler. This adds a nutty richness that really takes it to the next level. If you're feeling fancy, sprinkle some chopped pecans on top too. Into a preheated oven this goes. Bake for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the topping is golden brown and the pumpkin filling is set. Once it's out of the oven, let the cobbler cool on a wire rack for at least 10 minutes. This will help the filling set a bit more, making it easier to serve. And there you have it, a pumpkin cobbler that's cozy, comforting, and just waiting to be paired with a scoop of vanilla ice cream and a drizzle of caramel sauce. If you've enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. The full recipe is always linked in the description box below. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for more delicious recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.